Hey, you guys! I've realised I need to start doing some training videos or some introduction. Punk Squad, I'm the Punk, PNUK, Panuk, Paul, Nicholson. Punksquad.com is my community, my Punk Squad. I've always said I want to build my Punk Squad. You come and join mine, and if I can help you find yours, whatever it might be, football, golf, business, slots that I do, competitions, community, to give you the thought of going out and building your own Punk Squad. This, though, is how to use the Discord. So, if I ever say join the Disco, you'll have this green verified. On your profile, you'll have a little blue one. Now, to get that, you need to connect your Punk Squad account, whether you log in with Discord or you connect it here, right? Just connect that. So go here, hit that, and connect. And it'll say authorize login, and the login will work, right? You might not at this point have a blue because you're not in the Discord. Now, if you go to punkdisc.com or on the homepage, just go to the Disco. It's going to ask you, oh, that's open my app so I can't see. It's going to ask you to join. It's going to accept, right? So it's 118 members. Join the Punk Squad Discord, right? So now I'm going to open in browser. It opens in an app for me, but then when you connect, it'll say, if you're new, it'll say, are you a Punk Squad member? Just logged in member. You don't have to be a paid member. And what's your username? So this is my Discord. I am the gatekeeper. I am not letting bots in. I'm not letting anybody in, or I will on my own manually moderate this, right? Now, if you're not on punksquad.com, you're still allowed in. I'll just let you know you won't get any roles. And what you'll see up here, I'll keep my eye on you. So if you're white over here, you haven't got a connected Punk Squad. Now, these people have done nothing wrong. No reason to kick them. I will moderate, but what will happen when you're connected is you'll get these roles. So Jodel, Jonesy's OG. So you'll get this role of OG member. So that's somebody who, if only I had a page where it showed you what it meant. Right, you're going to see it's very active to start with. When you come in, everything will be lights and everything will be legend. Punk Squad member, it's £3 a month plus VAT. It's £3.60 a month if you're in UK. You get a legend status. You can pay to boost. Now, if you're a Nitro member, you get 2 boosts for free included. So you can boost the channel. It just gets us extra features. I don't see the real great value of it, but if you want to use them extra spare boosts you've got, or if you want to pay, it's 20 odd quid. I wouldn't pay. But if you can use your boosts that you're not using, I think it does help level us up. YouTube Start, if you have connected your YouTube account to your Punk Squad and you've commented on more than 50 YouTube videos across the Punk Squad network, you get a YouTube Start. If you bought me a drink, you get a beer. If you've won a Punk Squad comp, you get a trophy. You get a championship. If you've been here before 2026, you get an OG. So if you joined, I may make it so if you've commented on the channel before 2026, you're an OG. And if you've just logged in and connected, you are part of the Punk Squad. There will be more roles and things to come. But that's what happens when you connect. What it does is every 30 minutes it checks. It says, is this person a Punk Squad member? Yes. What's their badges? And it sends it back. So if you don't see the roles go colour here early doors, it means just wait half an hour or till the half hour of the, half an hour or hour, the end of the hour, and it'll check. And if it's still wrong, let me know and I can make sure. You just need to make sure you got that blue, you got that little blue icon on your. If it doesn't show up, like Rob sent on YouTube, said, how come I'm not getting Myth Blue? Well, Rob hadn't actually joined the Discord. So it is a bit confusing, but it's a bit weird. If you click a join button and you get a white page, so if you click here and that page goes white, on Safari, let's open my app again. On Safari, just refresh the page because it seems to not take the accept. So just click refresh. And if you have to do it twice, it will come back. And if you've got a problem, we've got ways around it. So how to use the Discord. I'm new to Discord. I'm sort of getting into it. People have been pushing me to use it. And I always thought the website should be the hub and it should be everything on the website, but people don't go to websites anymore. You think about what websites you go to, you probably go to social media sites, so you go to Discord or something like that. So think of the Punk Squad website as the data hub, but Discord is where we're going to talk about it. So I'll show you an example, because it's a lot. If you come to the Discord, all these things will be lit up, and there'll be lots of things that you don't like or you're not interested in. If you go to browse channels and you're not into football, just turn them all off. If you're not into the slots, just turn them all off, right? And then go through and turn them off. But it will hide those things from you. Same with TV, everything, right? So you can go down. So if you're YouTubers, so I've got, big plans, big ideas, I wouldn't say dreams, just a vision that I would like to find YouTubers, thumbnail designers, or video editors, or things like that. But also, these might be YouTubers that are football YouTubers. If they then look at this Discord and go, oh, yeah, this is cool, I should have this for my channel. Great, build your Punk Squad. I'll help you. Not a charge, not a sales pitch. I'll say, this is what I did. I'll do a video on it, say, this is what I did. So, turn off what you're not interested in. There's things that are and things that aren't relevant to you. But when you come, so for instance, it's easy today because Man United are playing, right? And the most on the website, Fans League, the most on the website is Man United fans, right? There's 76 Man United fans, 74, the Punk Squad Fan League, right here, right? 76. Sheffield United on there. 9? I'm still lost a few. Or they'd stop supporting Sheffield United, which might be a closer. Man United. So now what you're going to see is when you go to Man United, there's going to be Discuss Man United on Discord. And that's going to open the Man United page. So it's hard for you in Discord to get to that easily, unless you've started commenting on it and people are replying to you and things like that. But that's the theory. That's what's in my brain is going to happen, right? Now, if Man United are playing today, you can go here and again, look, discuss this match on Discord. So if you're going to do a prediction, or I already have, so let's say I'm going to change my prediction. Let's update that. I don't know if you're going to hear I don't know if I've even got sound on. But now when I go here, if you're connected, look, PNUK predicted. So then on Discord, now I'm not a Discord master, I'll turn that off. You can just start typing. What do you think? Get your predictions in. Like that. You might want to go. Brentford. Or Brentford in league. Discuss Brentford. Brentford are flying, aren't they? Oh, they're 9th. We want to go league, full league. Brentford 9th. 48. You might want to grab that. Grab that. Screenshot. Brentford. Fixture. Back to discussion. Might want to go. Yeah. Upload image. Screenshot that. Brentford. And then that should post that image of that, or what image you shared, right? So yeah, the discussion is on Discord, and the hub of the community will be on Discord. But everything you do, you'll do via Punk Squad. So you can always, what else can you do? There's all sorts of things. The golf's coming, the comps, the World Cup comp. If you change it again up the top here, last man standing. Discuss your World Cup picks, your World Cup last man standing. Cammy's just entered. Cammy entered. Right, so I can go through, I can go to the leaderboard, and I can say, I don't know, that colour's not great, is it? It's like a default colour. Cammy. So Cammy thinks England's going to win the first game Yeah, Belgium. So the problem with the last man standing is Cammy's saying England aren't going to win. So if I could go here and say, I can reply to Cammy, and it's not unbelievable, Jeff. Not winning Cammy. I'm not sure if Cammy will get that because it wasn't directed. But I don't know if it'll tag Cammy, but because it's the bot that maybe replies. But Cammy's in there. So I don't know exactly the Discord. It is just tag people, get your roles. There may be set roles for set people. So the whites in here. There won't be any whites in here because they've all entered the competition. By default, because they wouldn't have tagged them that they'd entered if they weren't already a member of the website, would they? But the whites, it might be like, if you're not connected, it might just limit you to being allowed. So I don't want all these bots coming in and trying to do things. And I tell you about bots all the time, don't I? Here's a proof of bots just scraping websites now. They scrape websites for data. Even though you try to block them, these bots are so smart, they scrape websites. And this is because there's proof of it. Where should I go? Teams, right? So teams. So these are the latest teams that have been added. So if you go to your team and it's not on the Discord, it creates it. So the teams that are being created recently is because a bot has scraped the website. Is Seaback Real Avila, Strahlen, Apollon. So there's random fixtures being visited. I'm going to block them. I'm going to lock them down. So that's the brutal thing about trying to run anything online is bloody bots. But the bots are also helping. Like in this case, the bots are changing the roles. There's my bot, the Punk Squad bot, which is what you'll see posted by Punk Squad bot or something, isn't it? It says it somewhere. So it's new. The Discord, as I said, connect the Discord on Punk Squad and go to punkdisc.com. It's very confusing, but it will make sense the more we do it. There's more fun stuff coming down the pipe. Punk Squad games. When you do games, if you go to a game, go to the games and you go games and you do something like the Punk Runner. Again, go on the Discord. Do this. I suck at this game. In fact, I don't even know what I need to put some punk music on this. I don't even know what my world record is. My world record. My current record. Go on. But when you go through, it will tag your new PBs. Oh, I should try and do anything while playing. Oh, I'm in a bit of a don't say it. Oh, I'm flying. This must be good for me. That's the ranking on the side. So I'm the 70th best punk runner. Oh, I'm in a flow, man. Or maybe doing it small is actually bloody easier. Oh, I'm in trouble. Ah! Oh, no. Was it a record? I don't know if it was a record. I don't know if there's a record for me. What was I, 60 odd? 63. Oh, I think it might have been. So again, it'll tag. It'll tag if you go to the disco. New personal best, right? So if you're beating each other's records or you're playing each other, we're going to be doing a lot of cool stuff with this. But yeah, just get we're going to be logging what your entries are on the website, and we're going to be talking about it on the Disco. Any questions, let me know. We want to keep pushing this. Get together, real place. Look, PNUK set a new PB. So when I'm recording videos, your activity will show up, and it'll give me something to react to as well. So hopefully you get where I'm trying to go. There's a lot of cool things coming. You know, if you tagged that you went to matches, if you've tagged you've been to grounds, and all that sort of stuff. You know, maybe we will get the away day. I still own away.day. So I can't remember how you do it now. Oh, I go to profile. Does it still work? Oh, here's a big test. But you can tag how many golf courses you've been to. You can tag how many football grounds you've been to. So if you click there, it'll show you football grounds you've been to. Click the map. it'll show where you've been and where you haven't. So the green are the clubs that I've been to, things like that. So when you go to a game, if you go, oh no, can I not click? Oh, can't click the team. If you go to a game and you tag you've been to a game, it'll start building all that stuff up as well. More to come, more to do with the pubs, golf, loads of things. You want to get out, look, find your punk squad. The stuff I do is for me and my punk squad, which is the whole thing. But if you want to find people to play golf with, your punk squad, if you want to find people to go to football matches with, or to start a 5-a-side team, or start an 11-a-side team, join and find your punk squad. All completely free to use, thanks to the legends who do pay £3 a month. You do not have to, but I think 50 people nearly do choose to pay. That helps support. You know, the YouTube stuff side, I think hopefully will pay for everything. If we can get more and more popular videos out across the 3 or 4 different punk squad channels. But this is just a hub for the punks. So come and join us. punksquad.com. Discord is punkdisc.com. Any issues, let me know in the comments or via the website, or if you get in the Discord. Feedback, hit feedback on the... there's a feedback section, I'm sure there is. I'll make it easier to do feedback. Well, I don't need... I prefer the app, but I can't record via the app. Announcements. I've had feedback. Oh, I changed. I'll put a website feedback up there. Let's do it now. Information. Website. Right. So any errors, any recommendations, you know, the beauty of Discord or talking to you is tell me what you need. Tell me what you like. Tell me what would be cool. I can't always do it, but, you know, if I can, I will. Get your entries in for the last punk stand-in YouTube World Cup. Go to football, World Cup, pick your last punk stand-ins. You just need to make sure you're in before the first round. Can't only pick one team. You can only pick a team once. So you're literally predicting who you hope or think will win the final. But thanks for watching. Any comments? Comment, innit? Ciao, ciao, punk out.